Yo, what's up guys? I'm back with another video, and today we're gonna be working on the lifted Miata. I'm calling it lifted Miata because it's going to be lifted. And I haven't figured out a name for it yet. But I have my Miata here. And so my plans for this car, so this is the first really video of the car, apart from the when I picked it up. So plans are lifting it, putting these tires on it, which are right here. They are 215/75 15s, and I'm buying a Miata lift kit, which is like $200, and I'm painting it. And I don't have a color yet in mind. Actually, I'm not too sure on it, but I'm thinking of charcoal gray, like a darker gray than this car, basically. I don't have an example right now, but it's like a really dark gray. And because there's a lot of green left in Miata or camo Miata, so like the gingham, and I don't want to do that color. But first, I'm gonna, first step of the build, it's checking over the car. I checked the oil. The oil is good. It needs some brake fluid, as you can see. And I'm gonna be checking the spark plugs today, and see if they need to be swapped or what, because it's a new car to me. So I don't know if the last owner ever changed the plugs or anything. So that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. Just super simple on this car. Take the spark plug wires out, and they just come right out. So I'm gonna start doing that right now, of course. So as I said, super simple on this car. I don't even know if this is the right socket. I don't think this. It's not even going in there. I'll show you this. They went in there. Just come right out. So this car needs a valve cover, as I can see, a valve cover gasket. It's a lot. I can see oil through the sides, so that'll be the next step that I do. I'll have to order that, so I'll call the shop and order that real quick. Holy shit, that's a lot of oil. Yeah, this needs a valve cover gasket ASAP. All right, so it's the next day, and I'm about to take the valve cover out. I just ordered the valve cover gasket yesterday, so it should be here today. I work at 2:30, so I just buy it when I get to work. But all I have to do, if you've never done this on a Miata, pretty simple to the valve cover. You just take all the bolts on the top, which they are 10 millimeters. There's around 15, 16 of them. It's super simple to do. So I'm just gonna get them all loose real quick. All right, so I got all the bolts out, and now I just have to pry it out, which hopefully comes out smooth, but I don't think it will. So you can get like a screwdriver or something sharp. See, oh, there you go. It just came out. So it's that simple. And holy crap, unlike this timing belt. But the mistake that this guy made, whoever put him on, it's that they put RTV on the right here on every cylinder. On every spark plug hole. And so actually they put it all over the gaskets, you can tell. So it didn't let the gasket see all the way through how it's supposed to. So it started leaking everywhere, because they did a really shitty job with the RTV. And this gasket actually doesn't look bad, but I'm just gonna put a new one in. I don't want to deal with it having leak again. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a shop towel and clean everything on here, all the little spots, and get a bag and put a bag over this so no dirt or debris goes inside the engine. And just go all over the block, or the head, and just pick all the RTV that they put, like pieces like this. And if you have a Miata, you're doing this, make sure before you put the valve cover in, you put a dot of RTV on every single corner of the cam sensors, no, cam angles, so however the fucking call. So the cam sensor in the back, you put one in every single corner, the 2 corners and the 2 front ones, and that's just a little dot of RTV. That's all you need. You don't need to put a RTV over the valve cover gasket, because it will mess it up and it will not seal right. So as you can see, they did a shitty job with the RTV and it didn't seal right, so they started leaking again. So let me just go over the valve cover gasket, and the valve cover and the head, and clean everything off, and then get some brake cleaner and clean the bottom of it, because I'm gonna be painting it the same color as my other valve cover, which you will see in a bit. So let me do that real quick. All right, so here I have the valve cover. I'm just gonna again put some brake cleaner and just scrub it. Make sure I get all the debris out, all the dirt, all the grease. All right, so I have it all cleaned up. It looks way better than it did before. So now I'm just gonna, spray it real quick, and it's gonna look way better. All right, so I got the first coat in, and it looks so much better now. As you can see, it covered a lot of it. There's some marks, right under the D. But yeah, first coat, not bad. All right, so look how sketchy I'm recording this video. This is how later I'm holding my iPhone 8 Plus, and it's a pretty heavy phone. I'm surprised it didn't fall. But I set on my tripod, just to mount it to the jack pole. So it's been sitting for a couple minutes now, and it's pretty warm in here, or at least it's cool enough for it to dry quick. So I'm gonna do a second coat right now. All right, so I did 3 coats already, and it came out pretty good. But you can see a lot of the little, I don't know what we call it, dirt, or not dirt, but it's from the valve cover, shit that I couldn't get out. And well, even though it doesn't look that bad, even though it doesn't look that good, but it looks way better than before. As you can see, before it was pretty bad, but my other one for my Miata came way better, because actually it took time and I did it better. It's kind of all ugly and already all scratched up, because when I work in the car, puts tools on top of it. But the texture, it's super smooth, super nice. All right, so I got the first spark plug out, and this is the one that was full of oil. So as you can see, all the oil that it had. It's not the rings, since there's no oil on the piston. On the end of the spark plug, but the whole spark plug was full of oil. As you can see, they were already old. So actually, they weren't that bad, but I just want to change them anyways. I don't want to have them full of oil. So I'm on my second one, and super simple, super the easiest spark plug job you will ever do. And I just finished scraping the whole head, taking all the old RTV out. So I just finished doing that, and the only thing I have to do is just put 2 little points of RTV, and put the valve cover back in, and it should be all good. All right, so I got the RTV in. As you can see, that's all you need. It's a little corner on each side, so it's just a little bit on every cam angle, whatever you want to call it. And that's all the RTV you need on this car, because if the valve cover gasket that you buy will cover everything, and that's all you need to do. You don't need to put any on the whole head, because you're gonna make a leak like the guy who did it before me did. It made the whole gasket leak, and the gasket that was in there, it didn't look old. As you can see, it's over here. This guy's doesn't look old at all. It looks pretty new, but like they did a super cheaty job with the RTV. As you can see, they put it all over on the bottom and everywhere on the spark plug holes. So not good. There's a right way to do it, and it shouldn't leak. So now let me take all the tape out of here and get the new gasket in, and we should be all good to put it on. All right, guys. So I'm done. I used tightening every bolt. I've been for the past half hour. I got a little plastic from the hose, the molded hose that goes from here to here. It was plastic, and when I was put it in, it like cracked, and a piece this big of plastic went inside the cylinder. And I've been it took me half an hour to get it out because I have no tools to get it out. And but anyways, I got it on. I got all the spark plugs on. The wires are on. Everything's tight. Actually, I just saw that I have to tighten the coil pack in. But let me give it a start and see if it starts fine. All right, moment of truth. Let's see if it starts nice and smooth. So here it goes. Key on. Let the fuel pump run. Started pretty good. Not bad. She's pretty cold, so I set her a little, like around 1500. But it's pretty smooth. So hopefully the valve core is, and I'll keep you guys updated with that. But anyways, guys, that's it for this video. It's just like, so that's just a quick video for the day. Quick job, and there's plenty of more coming in. I'm thinking of buying the kit this week. But I want to keep looking for more tires, see if I can find any tires for used, like with decent tread for a good deal. But if you guys want to see more of our cars, my two Miatas, my Plus Eclipse, the 1000 horsepower Evo, make sure to click that subscribe button. Like the video if you liked it. Dislike the video if you didn't dislike it. Tell me what to do better. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.